Surprise, surprise, surprise. There it is. Okay. Okay, look at that place, man. Never thought I'd see this. This is where you buy the tickets? Ask this gentleman here.
因为买票是不是在里面？
对，往前走还早呢。
哦 ，OK。
绕过去。
Should ask the driver.
Well, let's see. We've walked about, I don't know, a third of the way around this thing and still haven't found out where you go in. We just bought our tickets here. Now we're headed back up, get in line. There's a ticket. Well, we're almost there. Thank you. Save your ticket. Save your ticket for a souvenir. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Cool.
You want to go down?
Oh yeah, sure. Let's go down. Cool, huh?
Yeah. We are actually there. Ask somebody to take pictures of us.
Okay. Okay, hang on.
Hold on.
Gotta find somebody first. Honey? There's a white person. Hey, honey, here you are. You want to get a picture of me?
Okay. All right, we finally made it. Cool.
All right. Yeah, I was trying to get the sign there.
Huh? Over here?
I already got it. I already got it.
So, how much time you want to stay here?
I don't know.
Did you take the background?
Yeah, I did.
Now, I mean the stadium.
Yeah, I did the screen.
With I took you a picture with the torch of that one.
Oh, the torch, huh?
Uh-huh.
I didn't see the torch.
Oh, I mean the picture.
Is that the same picture they got at the other end?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, the
Yes?
same.
Oh, okay. Well, which where's the exit? Which one of these is the exit? This one or that one?
Maybe both.
That one looks like it's closed off, so it must be this one. Is there anything we want to get a shot of before we forget?
That picture.
Huh?
One minute photo, 10 years.
Oh.
Please?
1 minute photo.
Uh-huh.
Oh. We got our own photos. She took 3 of them of us.
The picture of me with the flower.
Huh? Oh yeah. Wait a minute, hey. You have it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
With the flower.
How about here? Get in line. Over there. Get in line. Turn around. Turn around. Hold on. Okay. I got 3 of them. The camera's still on. Oh, we haven't even made it to the swimming part.
Oh, wait. I thought they have in a different part.
Huh?
I thought it's in a different part.
It's next to it, someplace. I don't know how far next to it. That's not so important as this.
No, this is not.
Where's the exit? Honey? Let's ask the guard. Come on. If we have to go out the same way we came in, that's going to take a long time. Where?
Here.
Is that right there?
One more last shot. Stay.
Okay. That's good.